Hi violin and viola players, this is a tutorial on the song Go Tell Aunt Rhody. Here's the whole thing. Okay, so this note, the first note is F sharp, and we're going to echo phrase by phrase. So get that bow on F sharp. Alright, make sure your fingers are right on the tapes, and be my echo. F, F, E, D, D. Try that again. F sharp, F, E, D, D. The next part is E, E, F, E, D. Try that again. E, E, up, bow, go. Good, from the beginning, listen first. Awesome, next part sounds like this. A, G, F, F, E, D, E, F, D. Let's break that down. Just this. A, G, F, sharp, ready, A. Try that again. A, G, F, sharp. We're going to try this slowly. 1, O, 1, 2, D, go. Try it again. 1, O, 1, 2, open, D. Fantastic. Let's try from here. A, G, F, sharp, ready, go now. Awesome job. Let's go back to the beginning. Starting on F sharp. F sharp, E, ready, here we go. Let's try the next part. It sounds like this. Okay, let's start on F sharp. Listen first. Be my echo. F, F, G, A, then B, B, A, G, F. Try that again. B, B, A, G, F. Good, let's try from here. F, F, G, A, B, B, ready, play. The next part is almost the same. Listen first. The ending's a little bit different. Let's try from right there. Listen first. Echo me. F, F, G, A, then B, B, A. Okay, let's put both parts together. Find F sharp. Ready, play now. Awesome job. Try it one more time. Ready. part is just like the beginning. Listen first. Be my echo, starting on F sharp. F, F, E, D, D. E, E, F, E, D. A, G, F sharp. E, D, E, F, D. Okay. Now let's try the entire song. I'm going to put on my piano accompaniment, and good luck. Starting with F sharp. F,